Hi, in this tutorial you will learn how to draw in WPS Office. If you want to draw in document, you need to go to the left upper corner, and after that you need to click on Insert tab. Now we need to go to Shapes and we need to click on this one arrow. Then we will be able to select one from available lines. Because we are interested in to select this one option, it is Scribble. It will let us to draw in WPS Office, so I click on it. And now the pencil icon is visible here, so we can try to draw something on our document. So for example, I will draw the wave, yes, or maybe something like that. And when you will finish, you need to click somewhere outside. And then drawing has been successfully added to our document. We can resize this drawing. We can modify the fill of this drawing. We can change color, for example, I select here green color. We can change shape outline if you want, so I will select here maybe green too. So in this way you can draw in WPS Office. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.